Hi, today I'll show you how to add a contact or someone on WhatsApp. Adding contacts with a new chat. Go to the Chats tab, tap the new chat, and then tap on New Contact. Adding from chat or unsaved numbers you have already chatted with, select the chat with an unsaved contact. It will be represented by a number rather than a name on the chat list. Tap the top app bar to view chat info. Tap Edit and fill in the details and tap Save. That's it! Thank you for watching. I hope this video is helpful for you. Please give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, turn on the notification bell, and subscribe for more updates.